Welcome to Donna's 70th birthday collaboration. What I'm going to be doing today is a gel plate printing, at least to start with. It's going to have some twists and turns as we go along. What I'm doing down is just putting paint down, brayering it out, and getting ready to transfer. What this is supposed to represent in the background here is going to be the daisies in a field. You'll see that here in just a moment. Okay, you can see the print that I got off that. What I did with that, what you see there, the sunflowers you see there, it's actually a laser printer that I printed right onto the piece that I did beforehand. And now I'm just painting them in. This process is very zen. No other way to put it. It's relaxing. And I suggest for anybody to try who has any interest in it. You will enjoy. Gel printing is something that I've just started in the last few months, and I'm finding it very enjoyable. So if you got any interest in working with a gel plate, you gotta try it. Now my colors will be down in the description of everything I used. I'm going to be quiet for a while and let you watch, and I'll come back towards the end. Okay, with that part over, I picked up, it's just a board, and I'm going to use my gel gloss and attach it to this board. And what I'll be doing next is some multimedia work, and it's this is new for me. I've only been playing with multimedia now for I guess a month and a half, and it'll get better as time goes on. But I'm having a great time with this too. So new avenues, new vistas, and having a lot of fun with it. Here in the next part, I'm going to try to give it a little bit more depth, and I'm going to use my stamps and add some interest in the background. Now the stamps are brand new. I've only started working on them, well, this piece. So you're getting first view on this. I really want to thank Sue for inviting me onto this collaboration in celebrating Donna's 70th birthday. And she's always there to lend a hand or a word of encouragement for everyone within the community. So she is very special to us all. So happy birthday, Donna. It's time for the flyover. This piece was a lot of fun to create. It had a lot of firsts in it, and I am just very happy with the way it came out. I think it's going to find a place on the walls of our RV, our home away from home on the road.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Okay, I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you really did get something out of this. So, until next time, bye for now.